Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 8, we're going to write in slope, intercept, and standard. Okay, on number 5, the important thing to remember on this, if a line goes straight up and down, it's going to be x equal a number, and the slope is undefined, or it's no slope. If a line is flat, it crosses the y-axis, and it's going to be y equals something, and it has a 0 slope. Okay, so let's see what we got here. It's parallel to the x-axis. This is my x, this is my y. If it's parallel to the x-axis, it's going to be flat, isn't it? Everyone agree with that? The x-axis is flat, it's parallel, it's going to be flat. If it's flat, it's going to be y equal a number. My y is -1, so my answer is y equal -1. That's point slope and that's slope intercept and its standard. Let's do this one. It's perpendicular to this line and it goes through this point. So this is my x, this is my y, this is my slope, but I want the perpendicular slope. This is a symbol for perpendicular. Remember, you flip and change the sign. So my new slope is going to be 4/3. So this is my m, this is my x, this is my y. I'm going to write down y equal mx plus b. I'm going to make my y -2 equals 4/3, parentheses, x is 9, plus b. Then I'm going to have -2 equals 4 times 9 is 36, divided by 3 is 12. Ooh, this is plus b, I'm sorry. So 12 plus b, move over the 12. So b is going to equal to -14. So that makes my equation y equals 4/3x minus 12. That's my y-intercept, isn't it? Now then I'm going to write it again and change it to standard. So I'm going to multiply everything by 3. So 3y equals 4x minus 36. Move over by 4. Plus 3y equals -36, and switch all the signs so my x is positive. This is standard. So y-intercept and standard, you got to be able to get both. Okay, on 7 and 8, we should be able to easily make these y equal mx plus b. All we need is the slope and the y-intercept. Right here, this is my b in it. My b equals 2. So when I plug it into y equal mx plus b, I'm going to get 2. So y equal mx plus b, I know that my b is going to be plus 2. Now then, let's get the slope. The grid points are here, 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 and here. So I'm going down 1/2, down 1/2. Every time I'm going down 1/2, aren't I? So my slope is -1/2. So my m is going to be -1/2x. Then this is the y-intercept. To make it standard, you multiply everything by 2. So I'm going to take a 2, multiply everything by 2. 2y equals -x plus 4. Move over the x. So x plus 2y equals 4 is my standard. Okay, let's do this one. So right here, this is my y-intercept. B equals -2. And then my slope goes here and here. So I'm going up and over, aren't I? I'm going up 3 and over 2, right? So my slope is 3/2. So y equals 3/2x minus 2. That's my y-intercept. My slope-intercept form. Multiply everything by 2. I'm going to get 2y equals 3x minus 4. Move over the 3x. -3x plus 2y equals -4, and then switch the signs. That is my standard. That's about the hardest thing you'll have to do on this test. So make sure you could go from y-intercept to standard.